wrote this song and recorded it, and it's called Freight Train. You know, if you were going to be a folk singer in the 60s, you had to know this song. Pretty much everyone learned it and played it all the time. And it still really stood the test of time, I think. So this is called Freight Train. Freight train, running so fast. Freight train, running so fast. Please don't tell them what train I'm on, so they won't know where I've gone. When I'm dead and in my grave, no more good times here I crave. Place the stones at my head and feet and tell them all I've gone to sleep. When I die, oh bury me deep down at the end of Chestnut Street, so I can hear old number 9 as she comes rolling by. When I die, oh bury me deep down at the end of old Chestnut Street.